Welcome to Favorito Game Master. We will explore the Cannizaro reaction and its mechanism. The Cannizaro reaction involves the treatment of an aldehyde without alpha hydrogen with concentrated sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. Aldehyde, when heated with sodium hydroxide, undergo a disproportional reaction. That is, one half of the aldehyde molecules are oxidized to a salt of carboxylic acid, and the other half is reduced to an alcohol. So this is the chemical reaction of Cannizaro reaction. Before we can understand what an alpha hydrogen is, we need to have a clear understanding of what an alpha carbon is. An alpha carbon is a carbon that is adjacent to a functional group, and the hydrogens that are attached to this carbon, to this alpha carbon, is called an alpha hydrogen. For instance, let's say we have this CHO. Now look up. This CHO is a functional group called aldehyde. Functional group. This CHO is a functional group called aldehyde functional group. The carbon that is adjacent to this functional group is called alpha carbon, whereas this carbon is called an alpha carbon. While the hydrogens that are attached to these carbons are called alpha hydrogen. This simply means we are having what? We are having three alpha hydrogens present in this molecule. Is an aldehyde that lack an alpha hydrogen. So we have formaldehyde, which is CH double bond. This is a formaldehyde, or we can call it methanol. Formaldehyde, or we can call it methanol. It is a good reactant, it is a good reagent that we can use in Cannizaro reaction because it lacks an alpha hydrogen. Because this carbon here is a functional group itself, and we don't have any other carbon that is being attached to a functional group. We only have a carbon of the functional group itself. When this aldehyde, when we have the two of this formaldehyde, when it reacts with a strong sodium hydroxide, that is a concentrated sodium hydroxide, the product form is when we heat it, the product form is methanol, CH3OH, and some of the carboxylic acid, which we call sodium formate. We have H, we have C double bond O, we have O, and we have Na. This is sodium formate.